make some breakfast. Cheese. And you put it down on the pan first. And you put it right on top of that. And then crispy cheese on that side. Some cheese on the inside, so it's like cheesy. So here's my breakfast. I have my crispy tortilla with sausage and spinach and cheese inside, clementine, and a banana. Itadakimasu. I've been waking up at 6 a.m. every day, so it's only 8 o'clock. My first online class is at 10 a.m. I have 3 classes today. 2 of them are online, and then my last class is in person. So after my second class finishes, I'm gonna go straight to school. I can.
Drifting on morning waves, passing through airways, coffee-stained skies from passing cars, reflections in traffic, a faint smell of coffee from work to home, with his thoughts alone. 'Cause it's all so hard to tell if he's up or down. I can't tell. Sunset time malaise. I'm hoping it's just a phase from work to home, with his thoughts alone. We'll go on a holiday, get a little time away. I'll tell him how I feel when he's behind the wheel. Oh, it's all so hard to tell if he's up or down. I can't tell. I just want the man I love. I'm asking for answers. How can I tell? Can I tell? Answers now. I'm asking for answers. How can I tell? Can I tell? I'm asking for your answers now. We met in the second year. I had to persevere on my way home, with these thoughts alone. We'll go on a holiday, get a little time away. I'll tell him how I feel when he's behind the wheel. Oh, it's all so hard to tell if he's up or down. I can't tell.
I'm so excited to try the steak. This is only my second time ever making steak, so this one looks better than the last time. I also roasted some sweet potato and carrots. Got done showering and I'm currently editing this video right now. So hopefully I will have it up by tonight or tomorrow at least. Time to go to school because I have one more online class, but I'm gonna take it at school. I have to do a meeting, and then I have my third class, and then I'm getting dinner with my friend. So it's gonna be a really busy day, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick. I'm gonna wear this one, which is from my mom. I changed out my earrings. And this is the fit. It's super basic, just my black jeans. I have Heat Tech pants and shirt on. And I have this Heat Tech like sweater thing from Uniqlo. Super warm and cozy today. I think it's fun.